Welcome to our interactive module on conversational Spanish. So this module is designed to increase your interest in Spanish because at the end of this module, you'll be able to have a conversation in Spanish, which is super awesome. So part of the objective for this module is that you can identify phrases said out loud and select the best response. So as for instructions, each tab is a different section, so we're going to start on the home page, which is the page that I'm on now, and go through the tabs left to right, which I will also show you. And it's very important that you go through the tabs in order. It's also very important that you complete each activity as instructed and take and complete each quiz or assessment to the desired result. By doing that, you are just ensuring you have the tools to succeed in the next part of the lesson, and sound is required. When we're talking in Spanish, it's very important that we have sound so you can kind of understand how the words are said. So at the beginning of each page, this is our first page, La Chachara, small talk. There are directions. So first, we're going to click the Watch This Video button. It's just going to pop you up to a YouTube video. Then that video is going to say these words out loud and also give you a little bit more direction on this unit. So we're going to go through these words and then go through the words on your own as well. Make sure you kind of study them a little bit. And then the directions say you go to the Let's Practice button. So the Let's Practice button takes you to a Quizlet. So this is kind of just designed to help you get familiar with the terms, help you learn them a little bit. Make sure you play around until you're comfortable with them, all right? And then take the first assessment. So you do need 11 out of 12 points on this first assessment to move on to the next tab, and that's just to ensure that you understand what the words mean, okay? And that's very necessary for the next part of the lesson. So the next part of the lesson is under La Conexión, or the connection. So this is where we connect the words that we had in the last unit and put them in a conversation. So read through this example conversation. Then we're going to take assessment 2, and remember all the information I'm giving you is in the directions at the top of the page. You're going to take the assessment, then you are going to scroll all the way down at the bottom of the assessment, watch the video, take another assessment, and then there's this little fun video here that you can watch if you want additional instruction or a little bit more reference, or you just want to hear the words again. It's a pretty fun video. Each of these buttons are linked to something. So this assessment is in Google Forms, and this video is in Edpuzzle. So for the Edpuzzles, you do need to complete it successfully, and by that, you need to get all the questions correct. And then with assessment 2, you need 7 of the 8 points, okay? Then we're going to go to our last tab, and it's the most important tab. So on this tab, we've got some other phrases here that you just need to read over, and then a recap video. This video is going to take you back through the website, show you the words again, and go back over any materials that you might miss. And then have the resources as well. So it'll take you back to the page that has the Quizlet on it. Just so that you don't forget about that. If you feel a little confused or unsure, you can go back and review the materials. And then you're going to click on this little button here to take a quiz assessment 4. You do need to get all 4 of the questions, correct to continue. And then for the Edpuzzle, there are 3 questions. You need to get all 3 of those questions correct to indicate that you have passed the unit, and that's it. You'll be done.